Last week, I explored the attractions of Fiji's gateway, from island day trips, delicious Mexican cuisines, to relaxing at one of the best accommodation options in Nandi.
Vanua Balavu,
This week, I'm exploring the attractions of Vanua Balavu, the third largest island in the Lau archipelago. The coral and lush volcanic island of Vanua Balavu is surrounded by dark-colored blue seas characterized by steep undercut cliffs and fertile volcanic soil. The island lies to the east of Fiji's main island with an extensive reef system including that of its main attractions, the islets of Ngila, also known as the Bay of Islands. Welcome to Sawana. This is one of the villages on the island, and when you visit, here are some of the top things that you must see and do that brings out the beauty and uniqueness of Vanua Balavu. Visit to Vanua Balavu is complete without a day trip to Ngila. Also known as the Bay of Islands, this is definitely the jewel in the island's crown. Visit one of the most paradisal parts of Fiji with Fiji Link. The island of Vanua Balavu is a postcard of serene and untouched beauty. Swim over colorful coral gardens as you navigate the limestone islets of Ngilangila. Sight unique architecture, experience friendly island hospitality, and savor the experience of rich Fijian culture. This is the ideal escape into parts of Fiji never before visited by tourists. Experience the warm Bula spirit and smiles when you fly our national carrier to Fiji. For information on all international and domestic travel, visit www.fijiairways.com. And for more information about our beautiful islands, visit the official website of Tourism Fiji. Next week, join me in Nosuri as I profile some